Oh my gosh, guys, today we're drawing Charmander. Okay, let's get started. So, we're gonna draw this upside down U shape for his eyes. Now, Charmander's essentially a little baby. So, his eyes are gonna be really big. He's really cute. And he's looking off to the side. He's looking off to this left-hand side here. So, we're gonna draw the eyes going that way. Then we're gonna add a small circle. And then there's something interesting about his pupil design. He's got this line that goes through the middle of his eye with like a dip. Then we're going to draw his little mouth and his little nose. He's got two little nostrils and then the zigzaggy looking mouth. And he has some teeth. He's essentially a little baby dragon. So let's go ahead and draw that. So here's the bottom of his mouth. Got a tooth, another tooth, a tongue, and then a tooth, and then another tooth. Beautiful. Draw the top of his head. And then the sides of his face. So as you can see, like the sides of his face slightly poke out a little bit further than the top of his head. And there we have the head. So he has his arms and they're straight out. He's really excited in this pose. So we're gonna draw his little fingers. He's got 4 of them. So straight out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back in. And there you have it. And we're gonna start drawing his body. Boop, 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 boop. We got 2 lines there. We left a little bit of room for his leg. So it curves. It goes out. And then 1, 2, 3 claws and back up. Same thing here. C shape or curve. Out. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Boop. Turn them into claws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll bring it back up so we can draw his back. And then last but not least, we got to draw his little tail. So it goes up. Then we got to draw the little flame on the top of his tail. Doop, 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 doop. Zoop, boop. And there you have it. So let's go ahead and color. Charmander is orange with a yellow tummy. He's got a fire first tail, blue eyes. Thanks for watching, guys.